Okay, so we will create we will see one example, that is to perform simple calculation. Okay, so let's consider this two variable, a which is equals to 4 and b which is equals to 17.2. Okay, now we will do the setup calculation. Let's say first which is sorry, so first one which is 5a, the second which is the cube root of b plus 9.8. Okay, and the third which is the 10 divided by 10th root of 5a plus 60. Okay, so same example we will consider here. So what is the variable? Okay, I will just write here variable a and b with the comment section. It is not the operational. Okay, so it is just to give the comment. You can use this sign. Now I will just assign value 5 which is equals to, either you can take this value for 4 and 17.2. Let's say 4 and b which is equals to 14 let me recall it, 17.2. Okay. So we just created this two variables. We will execute this. Through command prompt also we can give the values. Okay, so same value we will consider here, a which is equals to 4, b which is equals to 17.2. Okay, so same value which is you can see here. Okay, so we can perform some calculation like 5a. Okay, so simply we will see 5a. Okay, so here also I've I haven't mentioned the sign, so it is asking did you mean this, so it is correcting me. So in this manner you can self-learn also. MATLAB, it is like a self-learning tool. So I will just say yes, I want to do the multiplication.